Hi friends, once again I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, I am going to explain about dictionaries in Python. We use dictionaries in situations where we want to store the information that comes as a key value pair. Let's get into the demo and with an example. So here is an example. What I can say is like think about a customer class or customer. So the customer has a bunch of attributes. For example, the name, and he will be having email, and he will be having phone number, and so on. Now each of these attributes will have value. For example, name will have XYZ, and email will have some values like a.n, and phone number will have like some phone numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so in this example, each of our keys are, for example, the name, email and phone numbers are keys, and each of the keys associated with the value. So this is where we have to use our dictionary. With the dictionary we can store a bunch of key value pairs. Let me show you how to define a dictionary in Python. I'm just removing this code over here, and I'm just declaring a variable with the name same variable customers, and here we'll be defining the dictionary with the curly braces. So here I am defining the dictionary with the empty curly braces, which means empty dictionary. I set it to empty dictionary that doesn't have any values. Now what I will do is like I will be adding one or more key value pair in between the braces over here. What is the key value I am adding over here is like name. I am adding name, and the name is like John Cena, typing over here, and then another key I am adding is like age is 32, and one more like I am typing with the CSK fan. Yeah, I'm setting it to true. That's it. So what matter here is like this key must be unique, like name, age, or the CSK fan must be unique. Suppose if I add another key with the same name like age, means let's see what will happen over here. I'm just adding with the name again, the age with 33. See here, the PyCharm will highlight the key and it will throw with a typo like dictionary contain duplicate key. Now what I will do is like I'll just remove this key and just remove this duplicate key. So each key in the dictionary must be unique. Here I am using a key as a string. All the key will be as a string, but we can also use numbers. We will look that about in the later videos. But value can be anything, like it can be string or number or boolean, or it can be list also. Now let's see about how we can access this each item from the dictionary. Now if you want to access this, means we can use like a list. For example, I can make use of customer. How we will access the list is like using square brackets, like customer of name. That's it. Now I want to print on the terminal, just I make use of print inbuilt function. If I do this, means just running this command, you'll see it is throwing an error. Okay, I just semicolon call comma, forget it. And what is doing? Customer is not defined. Okay, customers. I'm executing one more time. See here, it is printing John Cena. So what if we pass the key doesn't exist? Let's see, I'm passing the key like names. Suppose I'm passing the key like names which doesn't exist over here. See here, it is throwing an error, which it is a key error. And also like suppose if I misspell the key, like instead of names, I'm just typing the name with capital N. Let's see what's happening over here. Then also it throw an error like name, because we don't have the key with the same exact sequence of the character in the dictionary. To get around this, we can use a method. What we can do is like you can use a get method. Instead of the square bracket, we can call the get method, like get method, and we can pass the key, like I'm passing the key over here, name, and there is extra braces over here. That's it. I'm just running it over here and it's returning. Now if I pass the key which doesn't exist, means what it will do is like it doesn't throw error, but it will returning the none. In Python, none is an object that represents the absence of value. So instead of getting a key error, we get none, and we can also optionally supply default value. Like suppose if it doesn't exist, instead of none, I should get other value. Like suppose I should get the value like triple H. Like this means if I run this one, it will give the default value because this key doesn't exist and it is not returning none, it is giving the default value. And by the way, what we can do is like we can also update the dictionary over here, update the values. For example, I want to update the values customers of age. I want to update the customer age to 33. And it will throw a little warning because we are defining the name over here and we are updating over here. That is the warning it is showing, and we can update here also. Like for example, I'm just getting this and pasting it over here. See here 33 is getting printed. This warning is like here only will be initializing the value and why we are updating this one. That's what it is throwing a little warning over here, so we don't need to worry about it. And also like we can add a new key value pair. Like how we can add the new key value pair is like, for example, I am adding the birth date like December 5, sorry, December 5, 90. Now if I print this customers means, we'll see, we can get over here. Or otherwise I can print normally, print customers and also print birth date also. Okay, if I try to run this one, see here it is added in the dictionary and also it is printing over here. So with this dictionary we can easily add new key value pair also. So this is a basic of using dictionaries in Python. They are extremely important because they are used in a lot of real-time applications. In this video I explained about what is dictionary, how to define over here, and how to get the values, and also how to assign the values, how to update them, how to add it over here. If you have any doubts on implementing this, just add in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.